Welcome back to Electrical Frames. So today we are looking at this tricky problem. We are having 4 exponents 1 on root x plus 16 exponent 1 on root x, which is equal to 64 exponent 1 on root x. Okay, so with this, you can see that they are all having exponents of root s, of which it makes it common. Okay, so since root s is common here, the common term, you can say that let a is equal to 1 on root x. Okay, now we rewrite our expression, which is 4 exponent a plus 16 exponent a is equal to 64 exponent a. Okay, so now we can express 16 as 4 squared and 64 as 4 cubed. Okay, so we have 4 exponent a plus 4 squared bracket exponent a, okay, which is equal to 4 exponent 3 going to bracket exponent a. Okay, so with this, you can say that 4 exponent a plus 4 exponent a going to bracket squared is equal to 4 exponent a bracket exponent 3. Okay, so with this, we can also let say u is equal to 4 exponent a. Okay, we let u to be equal to 4 exponent a. So in this case, we are having u plus u squared is equal to u exponent 3. Okay, so we can say that u exponent 3 minus u squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so with this, say that u out into bracket u squared minus u, okay, minus 1. So this one will be u. So minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so in our solution, we have 1, which is u is equal to 0. So let's name this u1. Okay, then let's look at this. U squared minus u minus 1 is equal to 0. Then with this, say that u is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac on 2a. So our a from here is 1. Our b is negative 1. Now c is also negative 1. They say that u is equal to, we have negative 1 minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 4 bracket 1 multiplied by negative 1. Okay, all over 2 into bracket 1. So with this, we say that u is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus 4 all over 2. Okay, so we say that u is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 5 all on 2. Okay, so with this, we are having two solutions, the positive side and the negative case. Okay, so we say that let the is equal to 1 plus root of 5 on 2. Okay, then our u2. So u2 is equal to 1 minus root of 5 on 2. Okay. Now let's recall our expression, which was u is equal to 4 exponent a. Okay. And we know that 4 exponent a is greater than 0. Okay. So in this case, u is equal to 0 does not satisfy the equation. Okay. So 4a isn't equal to 0. Okay. Now let's look at u1. So u1 is equal to plus 1 plus root 5 on 2. Okay. And this is greater than 0. So we say that 4 exponent a is equal to 1 plus root of 5 on 2. Okay. 1 plus root of 5 on 2. So with this, we can introduce logarithm to both sides. So we say that log 4 exponent a is equal to log to bracket 1 plus root of 5 on 2. Okay. So with this, we say that a log 4 is equal to log 1 plus root 5 all over 2. Okay. So here we can divide both sides by log 4. So dividing both sides by log 4, we are going to get a is equal to log bracket 1 plus root of 5 on 2 all over log 4 like this. Okay. Let's continue from here. Our a to be log bracket 1 plus root of 5 all over 2. Okay. 1 plus root of 5 all over 2 on log 4. And don't forget, when we said that a is equal to 1 over root of x, okay, if you recall this, 1 is equal to root of x. So now we can say that our a, which is 1 on root of x, is now equal to log its bracket 1 plus root 5 all on 2 over log 4. Okay. So now our 1 over root x is equal to this. We can reciprocate every term here. So by reciprocating every term here, we are having root x is equal to log 4 on, okay, on log into bracket 1 plus root 5 all over 2. Okay, so we are saying that our x, we want to make x a subject because we are looking for x. So we have to square both sides. So squaring both sides, yes, we'll cancel this. So we have x equal to log. Don't forget this 4, we can express this as 2 squared, okay, over. Now, when you punch this, when you find the sum of this, you are going to get 1.618. So we have log 1.618, okay, like this, all into brackets squared. You can say that x is equal to this one. You can rewrite it as 2 log 2, okay, over log into bracket 1.618 all squared. So we say that x is equal to, now 2 squared is 4, okay? And then log 2 is the same as 0.301 all squared all over. Now log 1.618 is the same as 0.209 all squared, okay? So we have our x to be equal to 4 multiplied by 0.301 squared is the same as 0.0906 all over. Then 0.209 squared is 0.0437. Okay. So with this, we have x is equal to, now let me bring the bracket so that we all see. 0.0437 goes into 0.0906, 2.0732 times. Okay, so we multiply it by the 4 here. So now our x is equal to 4 times the one in the bracket. So we are getting 8.2929. Okay, so therefore we said our x is equal to 8.2929. So this is our solution for the problem. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tricky Olympiad math questions on this channel and be part of our channel so that we all become one family, grow this. Thank you.